Let's look into how to change or how to add a shadow to your element. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to add a simple rectangle to the page, make it a bit bigger. I'm going to say right click, shadow, and now I have some settings that I can set. So for once I can say where on the x-axis it can appear and where on the y-axis. I can set a blur for it. I can, let's do it a bit more. I can set a spread. And then I can also change the color. And with colors, I can again, change the transparency. I can add my own hex code or RGBA and so on. So there's really a lot of possibilities here. And then I just say apply. Now, if I want, for example, I copy and paste this element. As you can see, all of the settings of the shadow that I applied have now been copied as well. And I can also change, of course, again, go to shadow. And let's say now I want this shadow to be blue. And I'm just going to say apply. And now my shadow changed, but, just the color, the rest of the settings stayed the same.